Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And really the main dynamic here that happened was overall things started off very, very bad on the day. I mean, it gapped down, and then after the gap down, the price just coming lower and lower and lower. And the reason why, of course, the gap down was bad, but the gap down was extra bad because it actually broke down below that level of support at 275, which I've talked about in past videos. So it's kind of a double whammy of badness. Not only did it gap down, but the gap down also broke it through that level of support. But, and then this is where, the chart actually becomes quite bullish. At that point, it was just like somebody flipped on the switch and for the bulls, and back up the price went, not only to get back up to that green line, but to get back up above it. So in all actuality, a very impressive day. Now, sure, there's more work that needs to be done. I mean, this level of resistance up here wasn't even close to being broken today, but that's, pretty much the least of the concerns right now, given, how things started off and then how things ultimately ended. So, I mean, overall, maybe it doesn't feel like the best day, but when you factor in the context of, like I said, just how bad things actually were at that one moment in time, I would argue that today was actually quite bullish. So going forward, 275 remains that level of support that you want to see the price stay above. And then as I've talked about in past videos from more so the overarching point of view, that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, remains that overarching level of support. And then I already kind of touched on this earlier, but from the resistance side of things, nothing here has changed. Still all about that $3 mark, which represents the area of resistance from a few days ago. But all in all, good solid day, very, very impressive recovery. So let's see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.